Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm in the kitchen today, as you can see. This is some vegetable I have right here. This is I'll tell you, it got pineapple, you got mango, you got melon, you got kiwi, you got ripe banana, you got strawberry apple. It's a mixed fruit salad. So basically what I did earlier, when about a week ago, I just put it into a bag and freeze it. You got mango inside of it. So what I'm gonna do is gonna run it underneath the pipe for about a second and see what's gonna happen. So it's gonna be loose enough. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so it loose up. It got ripe banana, it got everything in it. And to be honest, I make this smoothie, I make this frozen mixed fruit salad about 2 weeks now. And this is the way it look. Really amazing. Alright, look at that. Everything, I just mix up everything and I put it in the freezer and freeze it. You got even strawberry inside of it. I put the link in the description box, so you guys can do the same thing by cutting up all of your smoothie stuff then and freeze it and make smoothie when you're ready. Alright, so if you notice what I'm doing right here, I'm putting everything inside of the blender. You got mango, everything inside of it, as I can think of as vegetable fruits, what I normally use. So what you can do, I'm just squeezing half of a lemon inside of it. Just like that. And you guys definitely can do the same thing at home also. So what I'm gonna do now is put some honey inside of it. Just a little bit of honey, not too much honey. And I'm gonna just put a little bit of boiling water inside of it, not too much. And now I'm gonna be blending this about a second to see how it's gonna come out, alright? Let's shake it down. Everything is just bare ice, yeah? This is one of the best things you could ever do. See? And it's really thick. Alright? But what I'm going to do is just put a little bit more water in it. Not too much, just a little bit of more water, just to make it a little bit more runny, because there's a lot of ice when it's frozen like that. That is beautiful, and I'm telling you, if you do this at home, nice. So it just finished blend. I'm gonna just pour it out like this, like you guys can see. Look at this. Beautiful. That is fantastic. Very simple and nice smoothie. Basically, it got everything in it. It got watermelon, kiwi, ginger, strawberry, grape. You got pineapple. You got lemon. So there's a bits and pieces in it. So that's why I give you the recipe, guys. That's you guys can definitely make that one at home. As you can see for yourself right over there, that's the frozen vegetables, them right, frozen fruits right over here, and this is it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming like this recipe. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get the latest update on Chef Ricardo cooking show Juice Bar channel. It's going on well at the moment, so get more updates on the Juice Bar channel. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo.